Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a bonus video on top of the product review that I had done yesterday. We are going to do an October birthday nail design. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So this is the set that I did before using Lofuanna Polygel. And I'm going to start by doing each nail to look like an opal. Opals are known to be an October birthstone, and this is mid-October. I'm a little late on this, but I wanted to pay homage to the October birthday celebrants, one being my dearest grandmother. In previous videos, I had mentioned that a couple of my family members had been ill. It's been a trying time, and then I got ill. I think I'm finally over whatever I had. I think mine was a measly head cold, but this is important to me because I almost lost my grandmother a couple months ago, and I'm really super glad that she is around to have yet another birthday. And I know we all don't like to pay attention to age, so I have no idea how old she is, but I'm glad that she's having another one. I also wanted to mention that there are two other of my viewers who have October birthdays. One is Alicia Glam Nails. I did a tribute video for her not too long ago, so go jump onto her channel, wish her a happy birthday. And the other is Hillbilly's Creativity. Go jump onto her channel and wish her a happy birthday. Again, I'm not too sure if they're disclosing their birth dates, so I can't give you an exact birth date, but just stop by their channels anyway and greet them a happy birthday for me, even though I'll probably do it myself. But just I tried to fit in two things there. Yeah, just let them know that I sent you. So yeah, I was inspired. I've done birthday nails already a year ago, so I don't want to revisit doing birthday stone nails. I could reinvent them, but I'm doing so many other different things now that I want to take a break from that and show this. But for my monthly birthday celebrations, I'm going to be doing this. So leave a comment below, let me know what your birthday is, and I will throw it into my list, and I'll do these birthday nails for you guys. So what I'm doing is layering between some polish and some iridescent glitters. I have Chic White by Gelish and Clear Top Coat by Gelish. I'm mixing it up a little to make it pretty milky and translucent. And I'm going to be layering this between the iridescent glitters to create that opal look. Again, just to reiterate the process, I put Chic White as my background color, sprinkled on some iridescent glitters like I'm doing now, cured it, and then I put over it a mixture of clear and Chic White polish, barely mixed, so it leaves that translucent milky color. And then I'm sprinkling the iridescent glitters again, and I do this 2 times and cure it, and that will be it for this. This is going to be a quick, easy way to make an opal look. And I was thinking about just doing the tips, but then I realized that each nail is a different color from the Lofuanna Polygel kit, that I thought maybe it might look a little weird if each nail was a different color with the opal French tip. So I decided to do the full nail in the opal. And then another birthstone considered an October birthstone is pink tourmaline, which I think is very fitting because one of the birthday celebrants, Alicia Glam Nails, loves pink. So this is going to be great. So I'm going to use accent nails to put the pink rhinestones on here. And for the other nails, I'm going to be using the rose gold gold leaf to decorate those nails. So again, I'm just going to lapse the time here and repeat the steps that I did with my thumbnail. So after this last nail, I did a full out filing of the edges to make them a little bit more crisper and to buff the nails so that the surface is nice and smooth. And after I do that, I did a combo again of the Lofuanna top coat with that milky white mixture by Gelish, and I'm going to kind of shellac a generous amount of it over the nail to make it more smoother than it is. And then I'm going to top that off with the clear top coat while I stick on these rhinestones. So just an update, last video I said that this top coat cures as a no wipe. So I thought maybe that this product would be great for varnishing glitters, hollow glitters. It wasn't. So I had initially a idea for the accent nail to be all hollow pink glitter. So that didn't work. So I'm moving on with the design that I told you I'm going to do today. So again, pink tourmaline is another birthstone considered for the month of October. So I'm just going to lay out a formation here. And you can see already that kind of eggshell with some iridescent glitters. The opal look is poking through there. And of course, I'm covering this up with rhinestones. But we have 4 other nails similar to this where you're going to be able to see the opal look. So I really liked how this ended up, and I'm not even done yet. So I'm just forming some random pieces. I like what I did for the vampire nails that night at the Improv, where I went from the base of the nail and tapered off to the tip. So I'm going to do that here, and I'm trying to figure out like what shape rhinestones I can use, and it's working out pretty well. So in between some of these rhinestones, I'm going to put on some rose gold caviar beads. I forgot to mention that before. I love using these caviar beads to offset the rhinestones and make it look like it was an actual setting jewelry piece. So I hardly ever do rhinestone formations anymore without using the caviar beads. I highly recommend getting them. It's a very nice touch to finishing off rhinestone placements. But I'm keeping with the pink theme. I've got the pink rhinestones. I've got the rose gold caviar beads. And again, like I said, I have some like pink, some rose gold leaf that's kind of cheesy. I don't think it's, it was a cheap brand. I don't even know what brand it was, but I'm going to be using that to accent some of these nails as well. So finishing up this nail, I'm going to do the rhinestone placement again for my ring finger. And then after I finish that, I'm going to be moving on to the gold leaf portion of this design. So now that's complete, I'm going to put a coat of the Lofuanna top coat, and I'm going to show you how I do my gold leaf. I'm taking some of this rose gold leaf, and I'm going to be placing it at the base of the nail. I noticed that in my filing, I over-filed the white parts off, so just a way to cover that up. I'm just going to start at the base of the nail and place this down. But then I'm going to also scrunch it up, as you see I'm doing here. And I'm going to be pushing this just a little bit thinner so it's not too big of a piece. And I'm going to have little gold leaf flecks trickling down this design organically. And I'm going to be doing the same process to the middle finger and the pinky nail. So after I complete this process, I'm just going to use a nail cleanser and a lint-free wipe to clean off the surface of my nails. And I'll be applying gelish cuticle oil onto each finger and rub that in, and I'll show you the end result. And here is the final set. My October birthday nail design featuring the Opal and pink Tourmaline. I love how it looks. It's so, and to my eye, maybe not the cameras, maybe hopefully you can catch it a little bit here and there, but you can see the different colors coming through that chic white to make the opal. And again, I wanted to wish Alicia Glam Nails and Hillbillies Creativity a happy birthday. I hope you guys have a super happy birthday month. I love celebrating birthdays for the month, so definitely get on that if you're not already doing it. Have a drink for me. I think I can have a drink now, so I'll probably have one for you then. But comment below what your birthday is and I will give you a happy birthday shout out. But thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again tomorrow, guys. I'm finally going to release my new series. It's going to be called Worldly Josieisms, Thursday nights, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Comment below. Let me know if you want me to be there in the premiere. It is earlier for me, so I think I can hop on. But I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.